She's a cutie.
Poor kid's gonna be winded.
She's sleeping.
Got a lot of leg in that one, Mama.
Thanks. Thanks,
I'm
Star.
not showing it. It's not the star of the show.
Should I lift her up more?
How do I zoom
Okay.
in?
Oh my gosh, she's really cute.
You're shocked.
Dude, she really looked like an alien before.
Hey. Don't say that about my daughter.
Oh, she's
I
making
know,
noises.
I know.
I think she wants her hat back on.
Her head went down a lot.
Yep.
Keep letting it go down. Tiny ears.
Oh, she's making a cute face.
Can you imagine?